Today's question is what is the coroutines in the Python? In that question, you need to focus that explain the coroutine is the function that can be resumed in the pause the execution while they are state. Here is some keyword that we have to focus, and they are the also component of synchronous programming in the Python and designed to work with the async IO model. And there is some overview of the coroutines is that coroutines are defined with async defined syntax is something like you can add a sync keyword before that you define the functions, and for the wait keyword you can you have to explain that keyword to pause the execution until the waited task is completed. There also one concept is the event looping code is executed within the event looping and which manage the execution and the scheduling the multiple coroutines. Here you can explain the relation between event looping, exactly what is the event looping, and coroutines. Uh, that's about the theoretical part, and after that you can give the example like you can write use the async IO the models and the syntax like this. You can explain this, and some key points are here like async define the coroutines in example. Then wait, sleep, event looping. This is about the coding part. You can explain here. And after that, why coroutine are used? This question in that you can mention the mainly the coroutine allow you to write the blocking the code and the mean, which means your program can be handled other tasks while waiting the IO operation. Most of you you need to explain the IO operations. Then follow-up question will be again here, kind of what is IO operations, why networks requests are coming, then file operations, then give the concurrency. If you are less than 2 or 3 years experience guy, then they will be asked this some terminologies like what is a concurrency, then explain this. So we'll be prepared. Some follow-up question are coming. After that, the practical exam is also here. It's repeated. And in this question also, there is asked the function follow-up question like, can you write the function to fetch the APIs or the multiple URLs? Then this will be some questions are coming at this point. In the next video, I will keep posted the next question. So thank you so much, guys.